Alright, let's get real. How do you go from broke to millionaire? It's not magic, it's not luck, and you don't need a secret handshake. The first step is a mindset shift. I had to stop blaming my circumstances, stop waiting for a miracle, and start taking responsibility for my financial future. Step 1. Learn relentlessly. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts. I treated learning like my new 9 to 5. The more I knew, the more doors started opening. Step 2. Solve a real problem. Look around you. What do people complain about? What's unique insight? For me, it was all about making complex topics simple and accessible. Find your angle and double down. Step 3. Take action, imperfect action. I started small, launched projects that flopped, and learned from every failure. Don't wait for the stars to align. Start now, even if it's messy. Step 4. Build systems, not just income. I focused on creating scalable businesses, things that could grow beyond just trading my hours for cash. Think digital products, services, or automation. Step 5. Invest. When I made my first real money, I didn't blow it on shiny stuff. I invested in myself, my business, and then in assets that compound over time. That's how wealth really grows. And finally, be patient and persistent. There are no overnight millionaires, just people who stuck at it long enough to win. Trust the process, keep learning, and take one step every day. Your millionaire journey starts now.